I would like to extend a heartfelt welcome to you all.
Hold on, what's that?
Green light! Red light! What's that?
You got a bee crawling on you.
A bee?
You may choose to stay and continue playing to increase your potential winnings, or choose to stop the games now and leave. The decision is entirely up to you.
Don't do this to yourselves. Just focus on getting out of this place.
And who do you think you are? You work for these guys?